Welcome to the tips for preparing and passing the PMP exam on your first attempt. Nothing is worse, at least in the context of preparing to pass the PMP exam, than to expend your perishable precious resource known as time and money, and only to find out at the end of the course that you are not ready to clear a PMP designation. I have narrowed the prerequisites to passing the PMP exam to 3 essential tools. These tools will help you learn and retain the PMP material faster, reclaim much of your time, and develop a realistic study plan. Let us get started. Tool number 1, discovering your learning style. We have all been endowed with our unique learning styles, our default learning style, if you will. And discovering your learning style will help you beyond passing the PMP exam, as you'll be able to acquire and retain new knowledge in any discipline faster than ever before. There are many theories of learning styles. I share below this video a link for one of my preferred theories. The link provides learning styles instrument with 44 questions. At the end of answering the 44 questions, the survey will give you a report with the scores on the 4 preferences: active and reflective, sensing and intuitive, visual and verbal, sequential and global. Equipped with this new knowledge of your preferred learning style, you can take steps to incorporate in your study an approach that fits your dominant learning style. That way, you'd be able to learn and retain new knowledge faster, helping you better prepare for clearing your PMP designation. I'll be covering the remaining 2 essential tools in the next videos. See you in the next video.